The moment when all the hard work, sleepless nights, and efforts come together. But remember, this isn't the end, it's just the beginning of a new chapter in your life. Whether you pursue higher studies, start a career, or explore your passions, always believe in yourself. Challenges will come. But don't be afraid, success is built on perseverance and resilience. Stay focused on your goals, but don't rush. Take time to explore different options and make informed decisions about your future. This is your time to shine. You've made it this far. And with your determination, you can achieve. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and push through challenges. Your hard work and determination will unlock potential, dock success, and fuel growth. Achieve more by setting goals, staying consistent, and overcoming obstacles. Your dedication and perseverance will yield remarkable results always. You're stronger than anxiety and depression. Seek help, stay resilient, and know you're not alone in this fight.
Stay focused and remove your anxiety, depression, and uneven overthinking. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Take a cup of tea and enjoy your moment and life. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.